Hello students, welcome to Abhyas Law Prep. We have a good news today. GNLU located at Gandhinagar has released a vacant seat notification. Let's take a look at that. So for locating all the NLUs that have released vacant seat notifications so far is being regularly updated by our team on Abhyas Law Prep website. At 7th number is GNLU Gandhinagar. So click here for the notification and you see this opening. Okay, and make sure that you see through all of the details that you have to fill in. Okay, so you see here that the application fee just for applying for this is non-refundable and it's 4,000 rupees. Okay, and these are the step-by-step instructions that you're supposed to follow for applying to GNLU vacancy notification. So you have to click on this link and then select UG, and then you will have to enter all your personal information. Okay, so what do I mean when I say this? So click on UG and enter all your personal details, including your parents information and your permanent address and all your qualifications so far, such as your 10th, 12th, and if you've done any diploma, that too, and if you've done any graduation before giving CLAT 2025, that too. But mostly you'll have to fill in all your academic qualifications and make sure you upload a decent photo. And you also upload your CLAT admit card, score card, your Aadhaar card, your 12th mark sheet, 10th mark sheet. So what are all the documents that you out to apply as per this notification? You ensure that you fill in all the details. Make sure you also, if you are claiming a seat under any of the category, okay, so the categories of the seats in which there is vacancy are these three vertical categories. Okay, so and in general, all India general category, we have 2 seats, no horizontal category, and then in one vacant seat we have women. Okay, it's for women especially, and again the other seat in general category is of women and who belongs to GCGJ, that is Gujarat ka jo bhi general category or whatever this category refers to. Make sure that you fill in all your horizontal and vertical category correctly, and you do so on or before 5th July 5 p.m. Okay, and looking at the payment, where do you have to make this payment? Okay, so you have to make a payment using this link. Okay, this is the same link. After you fill in all your personal details, after you enter UG, you select UG program, and after you fill in all your details, you will have to accept all the conditions, save, and next page would be of the payment page, and you pay to the respective registrar or whoever the bank details have been given for, and make sure you complete this whole process hassle free. And as such, there's no eligibility that has been given here, but they'll be selected on the basis of merit. So make sure that your rank is aligning with the usual GNLU categories basically. So if you qualify, you still can choose to apply, but since it's non-refundable, a word of caution is something that won't harm anyone, right? So this, you have to fill this compulsorily, and if you have any queries with respect to the same, you can always write to admissions@gnlu.ac.in, and stay tuned to Abhyas Law Prep for more such NLU vacancy notification updates. Thank you.